It's spring 2022, and while the world seems to be heading from one crisis into the next, and as we are bombarded with exciting news every day, and as we are confronted with massive societal changes in the height of social media, I just sit in my room most of the time. And I try to do what every young, ambitious person in the 21st century tries to do. I of course try to be the best version of myself. I'm a massive self-improvement addict. I try to be more efficient. I want to be successful. I'm a self-improvement addict, like so many people. I watch all those content creators that are getting sponsored by Skills. You know those guys. You know those guys. But I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Meditation, journaling, and Pomodoro technique, and waking up early in the morning, and how you have to juggle all these things. And you want to follow your purpose, but also you have to get your finances straight. Because I have so many construction sites, I feel like I never get anything done. And I head from one thing to the next with no sense of achievement or success. It's this constant mode of catching up. It feels like I'm always catching up. I'm always late because I have so many things to do, so many things on my list that I can't possibly get them all. Because you tell yourself, yeah, why didn't you do something today? Why didn't you work on your dreams today? Because you had work and you had to work when more than you in real life. I feel like they are also fed up all the way, or not even present. They're always everybody's somewhere else. Everybody's checking something on their phone. Everybody has their mind somewhere,
look what's
which
going
is not
on there,
really
what's
here and now.
It's
It's just
too much.
a sickness of
and then you go on YouTube on your recommendation
takes a
page,
lot
and
of your
that's
headspace.
the biggest dopamine feast
Like,
ever. Like
just a big chunk of my head is just crypto. All those news. And it's also dopamine. I think being stressed out is just a symptom of our society. It is a natural conclusion of our lifestyle.
The biggest dopamine feast
interconnected.
You get the dopamine hits from like all the awesome
many
videos
content
that are
creators coming
because
every
there's
day.
many
there are
many videos. They're not working towards a goal. They are just improving themselves to improve themselves.
Create
dopamine.
It is even a known term
like
right
a
now.
self-serving addiction.
We know that. How toxic getting work, working a 9-to-5 job, having multiple Gary Vee, making asking you how you would feel if somebody would shotgun your family. Sometimes where I don't even leave my room, where I don't even go outside for a whole week. I don't see the light.
Many cool content creators.
I kinda get distracted by all the exciting things that happen on my computer.
You get
sometimes it feels like we are robots. We have all these cables, and we make you think like we forget the world around us.
And now I landed here in Marrakesh, far away from all that stress and all that hectic. Finally, I'll be able to breathe again and relax, right? Well, not really. Unfortunately, I'm not here for holidays. I have work to do. That means I have meetings to attend, I have planes to catch, I have trains to catch and hotels to book. And besides that, I have to be back again in Germany very soon, which means my schedule is very tight. Don't get me wrong, it's nice to be here. It's nice to be out of my room for once. Different scenery, different light. But I cannot shake this feeling that I have. Like I have this bad feeling in my gut all of the time. This feeling of guilt. It's like a ghost sitting on my back. I left a lot of work unfinished back home. I left a lot of things on hold. I just fled here. I feel like a prisoner that escaped. I feel like a fugitive running. Somehow it feels like somewhere out there's a invisible policeman and he's searching for me, he's looking for me, and he wants to arrest me, he wants to punish me for the crime of procrastination. I think sometimes in life you just gotta say fuck it, fuck everything. and just do whatever you feel like. Even if it's just for one day. You have to give yourself that freedom sometimes. And that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. I'm on my way to Casablanca right now, and the only goal I have is to swim in the Atlantic Ocean. I won't care about anything. I won't care about any meetings, any responsibilities, any schedules. For one day, I'm gonna just live my life. The security told me I shouldn't go inside the water, but I found these two guys. So I will follow them. ها؟ هادي تعوم بها مزيان؟ نشاف صافي. يلا صافي. زيد تعال شوف. Come on. So just a few days ago I was at my home office and look where I'm at right now. Things can really change quickly. Phew.